We are back at my sister's house today installing some beautiful board and batten in one of her bathrooms. And guess what? It's not just one makeover, but actually two bathrooms that we're doing today. Not only are we adding board and batten to that first bathroom, but I'm also adding some gorgeous picture molding to the second. So make sure you are subscribed to see more content like this. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which bathroom you like the best.
Hi guys, and welcome back. It is very echoey in here because I am in my sister's bathroom. If you guys don't know, I've been slowly, kind of quickly actually, making over different spaces in her house. We've done lots of closet cleanouts, a whole garage organization, a nursery, which is so exciting, and now today we're going to tackle her two bathrooms. She's actually done a little bit already. It's looking very lovely, but we're just going to add some more detail, spruce it up a little bit, and kind of create more of that cozy, lived-in feeling that comes with just a little bit more touches, a little bit more decor. So the big thing we're gonna do actually in this room, there's gonna be two bathrooms like I said, but this one we're gonna start with first, and we are taking this blank wall and we're gonna go ahead and add my favorite, some board and batten, some trim, give this space a little bit more height, a little bit more interest, and that's where we're gonna start. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, I don't think I caught my reaction on camera, but you remember that line that I drew to help with me being level? I forgot that I was supposed to put the board above the line and not below it, and I had all these boards pre-cut and ready to go and, you know, angled at that nice 45-degree angle so where it meets the baseboard, and it didn't fit, so I just had to go recut them. So let's try that again. The good news is that this is the original height she wanted it, and then my sister and I actually talked her into just a little bit higher, so that's where she wanted it, so maybe it's supposed to be that way. Guys, it is obviously a new day. We are all prepped for paint, so you guys just saw me do that. And I'm going in with Valspar Ultra Interior Paint Primer in Eggshell. We are using the color from Sherwin-Williams Pure White. I love this white. It's a beautiful white. I just used this in my mom's front room makeover. If you didn't check that out yet, please do it. It's a beautiful makeover. You will not believe the transformation. I'm just gonna go ahead and get to painting. Also, this is a small room. It is very small, especially with my camera equipment in here, so I'm trying my best to give you guys different angles, but honestly there's like 2 walls to see because the shower we're not doing anything to, so just know that I'm trying to give you different angles, but there's not much to show and there's not much room to show it. But anyways, let's go ahead and paint. Alright you guys, it's a new day. I have new hair. If you follow me on Instagram at Heart and Home Crew, you'll know that I tried to cut my own hair and it was traumatizing, and I've since gotten it fixed a little bit. Anyways, that's a whole nother story. But so in case you're like, why does she have shorter hair in this video? That's why. Lots of things have happened. But we are in the second bathroom now, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna paint. And because you guys have seen me paint a million times, and because you guys are just gonna see me go from white to white again, and it's not that exciting, I'm just gonna paint it. And I'll spare you guys that little montage. And then we are going to add the trim, and I'm very excited, and then we can get to decorating both bathrooms, and another space in our house will be ready and set before baby comes. So without further ado, I don't know why I say that, let's go. Hi you guys, so I just want to show you, so I just put this into the side of the cabinet, and in order to make sure, because it's something that's going to be tugged on all the time because it's obviously toilet paper and I wanted it to be secure, if you look on the inside of this drawer, back here is a bar that this drawer slides in and out on. I'll see if I can get a closer shot. I made sure that I was screwing into the bar over here. So now it's extra secure and ready for toilet paper. Okay, the painting is done. We are now going to be adding our trim, our picture molding, whatever you want to call it, around the toilet area. So we have this lovely little toilet. So we are going to be adding some chair rail-ish height trim around the top, and then we're also going to be doing picture molding, you know, that I did in my mom's room kind of. It basically is going to look like my mom's room, but just like instead of all over, it'll just be on this lower third-ish of the wall. This is sounding very official-ish, kind of, you know, whatever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install that, and super exciting, this does not have a battery in it, but if you guys have been following me for any amount of time, you'll know that I've been using my dad's air compressor, and that thing is kickback and it blows air at me every time. Brad lovingly got me this for Mother's Day. So excited. So we're gonna try this out for the first time today, so prayers that it works, because I really wanna get this done today. The windblown hair in these videos. What are we gonna do, guys? That's a nice fit. Reminder of how basic and boring this space was, and with just a little bit of imagination and some trim molding, we were able to create a beautiful, sounds weird to say cozy, but cozy space inside Clara's bathroom. And now it just feels elevated, it feels thought out, it feels like it was meant to be here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked that there was 2 rooms to make over in here. They were very simple changes. They could both be done in a day. Very easy, as long as, you know, you've got someone to watch your little ones. So let me know if you guys try this project out. Be sure to tag me on Instagram at Heart and Home Crew, and I will see you guys in my next video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you aren't subscribed and you like this content, please subscribe and join our community. We would love to have you. Thanks, guys.